Did you know Vim can create faults just like Visual Studio and other programming editors? But it's hidden away a bit. I'll show you in this video how to do that. First, we need to select some line. For example, maybe we want to select this region. To do that, we press the Escape key followed by the V key, and then we use the arrow key down to select the lines. Then we press the keys ZF, and it creates a fault. You see those lines are now summarized. Then we can press ZA to toggle it open or ZA to close it again. So we can toggle some lines and they are now folded. Now you can create multiple folds. For example, maybe these two lines should be a fold too. So we select them, ZF, and now we have two folds. To open them, we press ZA. And this is very helpful if you have a large programming code, because you can quickly fold the code into the parts you're interested in. So let's say we do it again, but now a bigger part. So let's say we want this into a fold. So to do that, we press the Escape key, followed by the V key for selection mode. We move down the file, then we press ZF, so Escape ZF. Sorry, no Escape. We select it with V. Then we type ZF, creates the fold. To toggle it, we type ZA, and that's how you can toggle and open a fold. So that's how you can use folds in Vim. Let's create some folds again. So we do ZF, and you'll see we have one big fold, and there we go.